Hey guys, what's happening? I'm gonna walk you through how to reinstall TikTok and CapCut after the US removal. You can access just your browser, right? For both TikTok and CapCut without any problems, okay? Basically, as of February 14th, 2025, both TikTok and CapCut are available for download and use in the United States. These apps were temporarily removed from US app stores on January 19th, 2025, due to national security concerns under the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary Controlled Applications Act. However, they have since been reinstated following an executive order by President Donald Trump, which granted a 75-day reprieve to resolve ownership issues. Currently, discussions are ongoing regarding the potential sale of TikTok and CapCut's parent company, ByteDance, to the U.S. entitles. A final decision is expected before the extension expires in April 2025. Therefore, while the apps are accessible now, their future availability in the US remains uncertain. So you can access it through both App Store or Google Play, and obviously you could use VPN to basically access the both CapCut and TikTok with their parent company, ByteDance. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.